For clarification, we made a proposal of 733 diba, million for 2026, copying 2025. But DBM gave us 803.6 million. So nagdagdag sila ng 70, less than 70, mga 60-something million. And then, nung nagdagdag sila ng 60-something million, we requested for additional personal services. Siyempre, may cost yun, yung na-mention ko kanina na additional employees para mas ma-fulfill yung functions and other IT equipment that are needed for the OVP. Ang binigay na final ng DBM is 903 million.
That's 103 without the confidential funds.
No confidential funds. Hindi naman na tayo nag-request din.
Bakit po ma'am? Hindi na nag-request?
If they want to give, they want to give.